Your mitochondria are basically your body's engine, but listen, they're incredibly vulnerable to toxic cellular damage.
Heavy metals act like biological grit. They literally grind these microscopic metabolic gears to a sudden halt.
Why? Well, this grit triggers Fenton reactions. It's kind of like cellular rust, creating highly destructive hydroxyl radicals.
That resulting oxidative stress, it absolutely destroys your mitochondrial DNA, severely impairing your overall cellular metabolism.
So what's the solution? T8 stone, paired with the FulXP Complex. It's essentially a molecular magnet. This complex packs 3 crucial acids, but the real game changer is the powerful hymatomelanic acid.
Hymatomelanic acid specifically targets, binds, and removes those heavy metal ions through soft detoxification.
By safely removing those toxic metals, it helps stabilize your cells and naturally optimize energy production.
Your protocol is super simple. You literally just need exactly 2 milliliters of this concentrate daily.
So, are you ready to clear that grit and finally restore your optimal cellular energy?